Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's episode we're going to be talking about the Godox AD200. It's a very portable battery powered strobe, and I'm going to be telling you all the reasons why I love this strobe. I took it to do a shoot outdoors, I think around 1 p.m. The sun was quite high, and this little strobe did a lot of work. For its size and the work that it's been able to do, it's really amazing. For a long time I was using my Godox AD600BM. If you want to see the video on that, I'll put it in here and also put a link in the description. But I took this for an outdoor shoot because I couldn't take my AD600. It was big, it was heavy. I didn't want to have a bulky setup that day, and this AD200 outperformed. I'm telling you, I used this in broad daylight in the sun and it did so much. So we're gonna jump right into the reasons why I like it. Okay, so we're gonna open the bag and see what's inside the bag. All right, so we have the main AD200 itself. There's a trigger. That's the battery, has a protector on it. We have the charger. Just gonna open this and show you the cable that comes with the charger. Okay, and we have a protector for the bulb, and I'm just gonna use this to pick out the bulb. All right, so this is the bulb itself. I'm just gonna place it down here, and we have a holder for the bulb. All right, so one thing I like about this AD200 is the fact that you can change the head, and so you can take this off and slide this one on, and then you can fix the bulb. You have to match, so some of the pins, okay, 2 of the pins have the same size. There's one which is quite small. If you look in here also, you can tell 3 of the holes have a bigger size compared to the last one in there, and so you just have to align the small pin to the small one and the 3 would fall in place. And I can't really see what I'm doing, but yeah, it's gonna fit in just like that. This you can put into an S bracket, and you can use any modifier, any Bowens mount modifier that you have. So I'm just gonna take this cover off the battery. So we have this groove on the battery, and then there's a protrusion inside. So just make sure you align the groove to the protrusion, and the battery is going to slide right into it and it locks. If you want to bring out the battery, just push this button down and it's going to pop out like that. So we're going to keep the battery in for now. One other thing is the fact that we have all these slots that can go onto your light stand, and so if you want to position the light this way, just make sure you screw the light stand down here. If you want to turn it this way, turn it and then screw this also to the light stand. And we have another one here just in case you want to, I don't know, have 2 light stands on one. I don't know, but whatever you want to do with it. So I'm going to take this off and I'm going to show you how easy it is. Just slide it off, and we're going to use this for now. The reason why I like the fact that you can change the heads is this has like the head of a speed light, and so it has the same spread as a speed light, and you're getting more power out of this compared to a speed light. So it has a power button on this side. This is the wireless receiver. Just gonna turn it on right now. Just slide this up and it powers up. One thing again I like about this little strobe is the fact that it can do high speed sync, and so you can go above the normal sync speed of your camera and you'll be able to shoot outside. I'm gonna turn on the trigger that came with it, and now you'd notice there's a group here which is B. It's on channel 1. The wireless is on, is in manual mode. The trigger is currently off, and by turning this wheel I'm able to adjust the power, and you can see it's automatically changing the power on the strobe itself. So imagine you have 3 of these. There's one set to A, this is B, another one set to C. I can easily change the group and power each of them independently. So for example, this is a B strobe right now. I can just change the group on here by tapping the group here, and I can change to C or D or E, any other group that I've set the other strobes to, and I'll be able to control them independently. So the reason why I love the AD200 is the fact that it's compact. It has an inbuilt battery which is rechargeable. It lasts quite long. Another feature on this is the modeling lamp, and so I'm going to turn it on by hitting the MOD on the trigger. The modeling lamp isn't too strong. I don't know what you can use it for. If they can improve upon it in the next one that you'll make, I think it will be a plus to the 8200. And it only works when it has this head on. The moment you switch to the bulb, for some reason you can't turn on the modeling lamp. And so if you want to use a modeling lamp, which I doubt you would, you only have to use it when you have this particular head on. But aside that, I just love how compact it is, and the fact that they've been able to create all these slots where you can mount it differently, and the fact that you also have this head, you can put it to an S bracket, modify it to whatever modifier you have. It just makes this piece really, really nice. And I think you can compare this to about 3 different flashes put together, and so the power that you get out of this one little strobe is quite nice. It makes it handy. It makes using it just a beauty, and I love it. If you want to get this and you're on a tight budget, I think it's going to serve you well for a very, very long time. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell icon so you're notified of my next video, and I will see you in the next one.